Nice. They say it's unstable, but I see a lot of bike tracks. Dropped the GoPro. Oh my gosh.
Everyone dropped it.
I knew that was going to happen someday. Yeah, it looks like it's... Yep, it's okay.
I brought book 7.
Awesome. You planning to read to me?
Uh-huh. 7 and 8 are mostly about just like girlfriend-boyfriend situations.
Uh-huh.
8 is Marianne and Logan, and then 7 is like Stacy and Scott. So.
Okay.
And
Not that interesting? Is that the boy crazy one?
Boy Crazy Stacy.
Gotcha. Let's see what's up there. Gotta give it some effort though. Go, go, go. Nice. Good job. I was a little worried, but I think it turned out we've got a really nice spot. Yeah, we've actually got a view up here.
It's purplish. There's Alcatraz right there.
This doesn't look like a very comfy seat, does it?
No. How do you pack a camping chair in there?
I think what you mean to ask is how do you pack 2 camping chairs in there?
I call the gold one.
Nope, that's mine.
Mine.
I just got that one. I want to try it out. All right. Well, apparently that one's supposed to be pretty easy to set up. So since you claimed it, you get to put it together.
I don't even know how to set up a bike. I mean a chair.
It's a race.
What?
Yours is supposed to want to fit. Hey, what's going on with my chair? Oh no, you're taking this chair. Right. No.
This
That's okay.
One's tiny, so it suits me.
Okay.
Because I'm tiny.
Wow. Are you going to make the hot chocolate or what?
Wait, I don't know how.
First you take that powder.
Computer for your fancy camera. Why have to do that to me?
That might be enough. Okay. Got a little handy dandy lid plug. Repurposed as a stirrer. Oh man, I lost it. You think that's funny? How are we gonna stir our hot chocolate now?
You just drink the powder, dude. Just drink it.
Huh.
Oh, never mind. You don't already know about that. No, just your logo. Then he died on his birthday.
You gonna paint?
Uh-huh. Cool.
Did you get the stirrer in your mouth?
What should I draw?
Why don't you draw what's in front of you? Can I film you?
Yeah. Papa, was this little thingy connecting thingy brown a man belt?
That is a good question.
I mean, person belt?
I do think that was man-made. It's pretty straight.
It's too straight to be natural.
But you know what? They might have built that to help protect the wetlands here, to give it some water. I don't know. I'm making stuff up, but I think it's a good thing.
Just a bad drawing, that's all.
No, it's fine. What are you drawing?
What you told me to draw.
What's in front of you?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to use a pen?
No, because then I can't erase.
Oh, okay.
Artists always start with pencil, even how many? I'm gonna have to draw like the very unrealistic waves like that. Oh, that's so painful.
Just have fun, Ellie. Here, I won't film you. It's okay.
Papa?
Yeah?
How do you draw the ocean?
Little squiggly lines, maybe?
And this is like a lake. I was thinking of doing color. Yeah.
How about I finish up mine really quickly?
No, because then it won't be a good piece of art. If you do art quickly, then it doesn't turn out good.
That's not true. I think it's...
Well, you can.
His goal in life was to be a nickel.
How about you just put the microphone up to your
Riding
face?
around town after town, toll after toll.
Wait, Papa, can I do something?
Hmm?
Can I do something? Can I help out? Papa?
How dare you?
What do you suppose the cats are doing right now? And Mama? And Teddy?
Thinking about us.
Wondering what we're doing, what they're doing, what we're doing, what they're doing. Dada.
Yeah, so...
Thank you for the bike ride.
Oh, you're welcome, Ellie. I'm really excited that we're doing this.
Uh-huh. Yeah. I'm glad I put on my jacket. That gust of wind that just hit me was a bit... Wait, where'd my pen go? Oh no, the little tip came off. Look me detectable. Papa?
Yes, Ellie.
What's the most... When can you tell me that scary thing that you never want to tell me?
What scary thing?
Whenever I ask what's the scariest thing that ever happened to you, you say, I can't tell you.
Oh, because, it's really an unpleasant story.
Oh. Did someone die?
No, but I was worried that I was going to die.
Oh. Was there a monster in it?
No.
Was it a dream?
No, it was real.
Was there a bad guy?
It was somebody that was very angry. I don't think he was bad.
Was it your dad?
It was not my dad.
Because how would he get angry at you sometimes when he spanks you?
Yeah, but I don't ever think that I'm going to die when RPG spanks me.
Yeah, I guess. I really should have got a real sketchbook. I'm such a fool.
The trick is to not scrub it too much, just a light bit of color. And then when it dries out, the paper will flatten out a bit.
Boom, boom. How do you think you're gonna die? I'm gonna predict mine, and you're gonna predict yours. I think I'm just gonna die of old age in my sleep. Oh yeah, you have to say if you're asleep or awake.
Okay.
Or going to the bathroom.
Oh my gosh. Has to be one of those three, I guess.
Cause yeah. Marianne at Lala's work. There's a Marianne at Lala's work. Her dad died in the bathroom, I think.
Okay.
That's what Lala said.
I gotta draw 1,000,000 birds.
Look at
Good thing I brought my smallest brush.
Look at this. I'm not sure the gray was the best idea. How is this blue?
You know, I gotta say, mixing paint with my other hand is not easy.
Hey, look. This is what I asked for. It's a bit of a mess.
Nice.
Da-ba-da-boo.
You're feeling pretty good about it.
Uh-huh. All done.
You're done?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Can I have my watercolor back then?
Yeah.
White is starting to get really nice. Okay, I've only drawn 300,000 out of the 1,000,000 birds I need to draw. Are you okay if I leave a few out?
Yeah? I mean, you don't have to do all 1,552. I counted.
Let me get some of those people.
Florida State's offense huddling up on the near sideline here, right beneath us. They now jog off the field, trailing by 11. They did lead at one point here in the second quarter. Notre Dame offense and defense, they were alive here as the second quarter is now gone. See if the Florida State offense can put anything together here before half. Right now, you can tell you that you can increase that doubt for Notre Dame's defense. First and 10 from Rose 25. Jordan Travis with a shot. Has the Canadian left to his right. Pitches to him. Spins out of the tackle across the 30. Tackle at the 43-yard line. Nick McLeod had a chance to tackle Webb for a loss in the backfield, but a great spin move into tough running. Gains 9 yards. Florida's had to make the tackle. You're going to get that sometimes with corners. McLeod beat himself into it. Down his right, got him on the shotgun. Empty backfield. Drops back, gets to his left. Now in trouble. Rolls out to his right. Fires to the near sideline. That was Keyshawn Hunt. Had a chance to haul that one in. 10-yard out. Dropped it. It's now 3rd down and 1.
The crickets are waking up.
4:57 until halftime. The pressure for Notre Dame's defense really forcing Travis out of the pocket. A lot of excellent play from Jason Adamalola, Jacob Lacey as well. Those guys are making him move from the middle, making him uncomfortable early. Byron Tuttle had all the motion this evening, was unavailable for this game. 3rd down and 1 from the shotgun. Travis keeping himself across the right side, across the 35, goes down at the 37 between the near hash and the near numbers. That'll be 1st down, Florida State.
Oh, Allie, look at that. The birds are flying. See that? They're skimming the surface of the water.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, that's so cool. Can you imagine if all of them started flying? All 1 million of them? Alright, last bits. And then we got a little bit of a ride. There we go again.
So they ran to the left, his right, and instead of trying to cross their face, he just pressed that lineman into that hole he wanted to go to and was right there excellent return by Jafar Armstrong, giving the offense even more of an advantage here going down to 3.
I'm gonna do like
Final one, there's the snap. Pause for a minute, stops at 58 seconds now. It starts again. First and 10, Notre Dame.
I'm gonna do a super quick one that I'm telling you, that chair
It's not the best.
really spit me off so many times.
That's unpleasant.
Second and 2 from the 12, 24 seconds left. From the shotgun, drops back. Stands, looks, throws underneath, complete to the 7-yard line. Trouble cut down at the 6. A short underneath crossing route, complete, gain of 7. Ryan, 18 seconds left, now first and goal. Notre Dame, that is their third and final timeout. Okay, so no timeouts left. Tommy Reese is having himself a game. I love how he's calling this game, how he's seeing it. You and I know, Paul, playing football, it's not just about calling the right plays. Are you seeing the game you're in? You're having a lot of success running the football. Continue to make that the foundation of everything you do offensively, and he's stuck to that. It's easy for him. It opened up a lot of creases and made the defense think about more than what they had to see right there on that last run. Well, Tommy Reese should enjoy this lead he has on his pupil Ian Book. Career touchdown passes to Notre Dame while he can. Because right now, Ian Book has 60. That just tied him with Jimmy Clausen. Tommy Reese has 61. Oh, little subversion. I think Tommy's going to try and keep him for another night if he can. I think he would enjoy being on the run because it would mean success here for the next couple of quarters. So, 11 seconds left until halftime. Kickoff is in the air. Notre Dame leading Florida State now 35-20. Ball goes 5 yards deep in the end zone, bounces, and Florida State will accept the touchback here. And I would imagine just take a knee here and go to the halftime locker room. What a second quarter it has been that saw Florida State leading at one point.